Hello there. You've clicked on this video because you want to learn how to add a carousel in Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Begin by opening up your Squarespace website and navigate to the exact page where you wish to add this engaging and dynamic feature that is the carousel. It could be your homepage, product page, or any other page of your choice. A carousel can be an excellent way of showcasing your content effectively to your website visitors and could potentially increase their interaction with your site. Once you're on your chosen page, look for the Edit button. This is usually located at the top of your screen. Click on this Edit button, which will conveniently shift you into an editing mode. This is the space where you can perform all the creative manipulations to your website page. Now you're one step closer to inserting your carousel. Next, you should see a plus icon somewhere on your screen. This plus or Add button allows you to put new blocks or sections on your page. Go ahead and click on it. After you've clicked on the plus, a menu should appear with several options. Among these options, you will find one labeled Images. Hovering your cursor over this Images option will prompt another menu to pop up. This second menu contains various gallery layouts. You need to choose a gallery layout that includes a carousel or a slideshow option. After choosing your desired gallery layout, you are prepared to bring life to your carousel now. Click on Edit Gallery, which will allow you to upload and array your images. Now, this is the fun part. You can select as many images as you wish to upload. Remember, these images will represent you or your brand, so choose wisely and ensure they are high-quality shots. Now, it's time to give your carousel the final touch. In the top navigation, you should find an option called Design. Clicking on the Design tab gives us an array of settings to alter and improve how your carousel will appear to your visitors. Change the display type to Slideshow. This option will turn your image gallery into a carousel that automates the transition between your images. It's like a digital show at the comfort of your web page. Feel free to adjust any additional settings according to your preference. You can decide how fast the images should change, whether or not to show navigation arrows, and so forth. Experiment a bit until you find the appearance that suits you best. Once you've made all your settings and adjustments, save your changes, exit editing mode, and voila! You've added a carousel to your Squarespace page. It's an effortless process to enhance your website's visual engagement. But remember, the key to a compelling and captivating carousel is all in the images you select. So choose the best quality images and captivate your audience with your stunning carousel. And that wraps up today's tutorial on how to add a carousel in Squarespace. It's that easy. Stay tuned for more practical guides on how to enhance your Squarespace experience. Until next time, remember to keep creating and keep learning.